Specific of the IP protocol, the transport layer adds the header so the segment can be reassembled at the destination. So this is the information is coming from transport layer from the top layer to the bottom layer. Once it's received by the network layer add its own header. So network layer header is, you can see previously data and the transport layer header has already been added. Then the network layer header encapsulation data and IP header. Okay, network layer adds a header so the packet can be routed through the complex network and reach to the destination. In, in TCP/IP based network, the network layer PTU is called IP packet. So once the information is received from the top layer at the network layer, we mostly called IP packet. Characteristic of the IP. What is IP actually? So IP is a connection or less. So there is no need to establish the connection before send the actual message, which is normally TCP job is. It's a best effort and it's a media independent. So it's like a fiber cable, it might like frame lay, Ethernet, whatever it is, it doesn't need to be any depend upon any media. No connection with the destination is established before sending the data packet. So three characters, guys. Number one, connection less, best effort, and media independent. These are the three characters. IP connection less. What is the IP connection less mean? If the receiver is present, the sender does not know. Sender has no idea that the receiver is at home or not. That is the job of the upper layer. Okay. If the receiver is present, if the letter arrives, if the receiver can read the letter. Okay. The receiver doesn't know if it's coming, when it's coming. It can come at any time, right? Okay, like the angel of death, it can come anytime. Okay, IP packet can come at any time. So there is no connection oriented, there is no reliability, there is no such things, right? So receiver has no idea when it's coming, when the letter is arrived. If the letter is arrived, the receiver has the letter. So these informations are not there. Secondly, also you can see, I think this is the same thing. Packet time. The best effort means it can go, let's say, from the sender to receiver, you have multiple paths. For example, you have one path is here, one path is here, and one path is here. So three paths are existing. Packets are routed through the new network quickly. Some packet may be lost in the route. Okay, you can see three packets are sent, but one packet may be lost. As an unreliable network layer protocol, IP does not guarantee that all the packets will be. Other protocols manage the process of tracking packets and ensuring data. Like the upper layer is responsible for reliability or unreliability. Right? And it does not depend upon the media. For example, initially there is copper, then there is a serial cable, then there is a fiber optics, then there is a copper, then there is a wireless. So it does not depend which media we are actually traveling through. IP packet can travel over different media without any